Want to enjoy cafe-quality coffee right at home? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best coffee makers on Amazon. Perfect for fast brewing, rich flavor, and hassle-free mornings. From programmable timers to built-in grinders and single-serve options, these machines make every cup smooth and satisfying. Stick around to find the perfect one for your kitchen, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart home picks every week. At number 1 we have Keurig K-Duo Carafe Coffee Maker. Make every holiday moment magical with the Keurig K-Duo single-serve and carafe coffee maker, the ultimate gift for coffee lovers and a must-have for festive gatherings. This versatile brewer lets you brew a single cup or a full carafe, so you can serve yourself or a crowd with ease. Perfect for cozy mornings, holiday brunches, or entertaining guests, the K-Duo brings convenience and cheer to every cup. Featuring a sleek design and an extra-large 72 ounces removable reservoir, this brewer minimizes refills and is ideal for busy holiday hosting. The single-serve side works with any K-cup pod and offers multiple brew sizes, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces, while the carafe side brews up to 12 cups of your favorite ground coffee. With multi-stream technology, every brew delivers rich flavor and aroma, whether hot or iced. Enjoy seasonal favorites with brew over ice for refreshing iced coffee or tea, strong brew for bold holiday flavor, and extra hot for an extra steamy cup on chilly mornings. At number 2 we have fellow Aiden Precision Drip Coffee Maker. Exceptional quality coffee, Aiden Drip Coffee Maker with thermal carafe serves as your personal barista, perfecting temperature control, coffee-to-water ratios, and a built-in bloom cycle to achieve results you'd only expect at a cafe. You will taste the difference. Effortless one-button brewing, treat guests to double-take-worthy coffee with the press of a button. For even more convenience, a drip stop filter basket prevents mess while a removable water tank pops out for easy refilling at the sink. Single-serve plus batch brew, 10-cup coffee maker capacity has interchangeable single-serve and batch brew baskets and a dual shower head for even water distribution across all volumes. Seamlessly brew 1 to 10 cups of coffee without compromising quality or taste. Clever functionality, Aiden's silicone seal protects cabinets from steam damage, while the discreet cord wrap keeps countertops tidy. The heat-retentive thermal carafe ensures your coffee stays warm for hours, wherever you enjoy it. At number 3 we have BLACK+DECKER 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. Brew your daily coffee fast with the BLACK+DECKER 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Quick-touch programming buttons make it easy to set the 24-hour auto-brew feature and shave some time off of your morning routine. Other useful features include Sneak-a-Cup technology, the 12-cup Duralife glass carafe, and a washable brew basket. Large, rubberized buttons give you full control of the coffee maker, and the easy-read screen displays the clock, brew time, and programming options. This feature temporarily stops the flow of coffee so you can pour your first cup before brewing ends without making a mess. For added safety and peace of mind with every use, the front-facing window shows you the exact amount of water that will turn into coffee. At number 4 we have Ninja Drip Coffee Maker. Unlock the ultimate guided experience with customized grind size recommendations, weight-based dosing, and active brew adjustments for temperature and pressure for balanced flavor. Deliver cafe-quality brews, no guesswork required. The conical burr grinder has 25 grind settings to deliver a fresh, precise grind for versatile drink options for every type of bean. Different drinks require different amounts of grounds. Our built-in scale does the work for you with weight-based dosing tailored for your chosen drink. Other machines simply grind for a set amount of time, and you need to manually weigh your grounds. Whether using dairy or plant-based milk, creating hot or cold microfoam, the dual froth system combines steaming and whisking at the same time to effortlessly create perfectly textured microfoam. Removing the trial and error from manual frothing with 4 preset programs including steamed milk, thin froth, thick froth, and cold foam. At number 5 we have Keurig K-Duo Single-Serve K-Cup Pod and Carafe Coffee Maker. The K-Duo Plus Single-Serve and Carafe Coffee Maker in black is a versatile brewer using both K-Cup pods and ground coffee to brew a cup and a carafe of your favorites. The 12-cup thermal carafe keeps your coffee warm for up to 2 hours, and the pause and pour feature makes serving a snap. No need to wait for the entire carafe to brew. The Keurig K-Duo Plus Coffee Maker can be paused mid-brew for 20 seconds, so you can pour fresh, hot coffee right away. Or set your preferred brew time up to 24 hours in advance with Programmable Carafe Auto Brew. The sleek design of the Black K-Duo Plus Coffee Maker provides an eye-catching element of style, and our first-ever multi-position water reservoir can be situated on the left, right, or back, ensuring the optimal configuration for your countertop. Use the strong brew button for a bolder, more intense single cup and carafe. With multiple brew sizes, you can make a 6, 8, 10, or 12 cup carafe for large gatherings or just for you. At number 6 we have Nespresso Coffee and Espresso Maker. The Nespresso virtual machines offer a full range of coffee capsules, from a milder fruity espresso to a large mug, and a shareable carafe format, all at the touch of a button and with a smooth crema. Versatile cup sizes, one Nespresso coffee machine for 7 coffee sizes, carafe pour-over style, alto, mug/coffee, grand lungo, double espresso, espresso, and ristretto. A perfect in-cup result every time, freshly brewed coffee, with naturally formed crema and full-bodied coffee. High convenience and flexibility, simple one-button operation, automatic coffee capsule ejection. An advanced level of technologies, thanks to Bluetooth smart technology and Wi-Fi, Virtuo Next ensures you to always get the best and up-to-date coffee experience thanks to the automatic software update. Sustainability. As a certified B Corporation, Nespresso meets the highest standards of verified social and environmental performance, joining a global movement using business as a force for good. At number 7 we have Cuisinart DCC 1200 P1 12-cup programmable coffee maker. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. The Cuisinart Brew Central 12-cup programmable coffee maker makes a bold statement in any kitchen with a brushed metal finish and elegant tech industrial design. Programmable from start to finish, with a variable heater plate for temperature control, the Brew Central 12-cup programmable coffee maker delivers on every front. With a convenient dripless carafe spout, brew pause feature, and alert for when it is time to decalcify, Cuisinart makes great tasting coffee convenient for your busy lifestyle. Cord storage. At number 8 we have Philips Espresso Coffee Machine. Elevate your coffee experience with the Philips Series 3300 fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go. With automatic bean-to-cup brewing, it's designed to deliver freshness in every brew. Enjoy 6 hot and ice presets at the touch of a button, and customize the intensity, volume, and temperature so your drink is always just the way you like it. Latte Go automatically prepares silky smooth milk for cafe-style drinks, and can be cleaned in as little as 10 seconds. Whether you're in the mood for a classic espresso, regular black coffee, iced coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, or simply hot water for tea, this machine caters to all your beverage needs. Plus, Silent Brew technology reduces machine sounds by 40% versus previous models. The modern display makes selecting your drink a breeze. Upgrade your daily routine or weekend treat with the Philips 3300 Latte Go, effortless, customizable, and always delicious. At number 9 we have Mr. Coffee 12-cup switch coffee maker. This simple brew coffee maker delivers classic functionality for effortless brewing, letting you set it up, turn it on, and enjoy rich tasting coffee without any complications. Its grab a cup auto pause feature allows you to pour a cup mid-brew, stopping the cycle temporarily and resuming once the carafe is returned. Designed for convenience, it ensures smooth daily use with reliable, consistent performance. The machine brews coffee quickly while maintaining full flavor extraction for a satisfying cup every time. Ideal for home or office, it suits both beginners and seasoned coffee lovers. Its straightforward operation eliminates fuss and keeps your routine simple. The durable build ensures long-lasting usability for everyday brewing. Enjoy dependable quality and great taste with the trusted Mr. Coffee brand. At number 10 we have Hamilton Beach 49933 two-way 12-cup coffee maker. Now there's a better way to cover the brewing needs of everyone in the household, Hamilton Beach two-way programmable coffee maker. This combo coffee maker lets you brew up to 14 ounces into a cup or travel mug with your favorite ground coffee. Just scoop, place and brew. When you want a full pot, the carafe side brews up to 12 cups and gives you the option to program your coffee in advance for wake-up ready coffee. The full pot carafe side also includes auto pause and pour and 2-hour automatic shutoff. 2 ways to brew, single cup or full pot. Simple single cup brewing, doesn't use K-cup pods. Peace of mind with 2-hour automatic shutoff. Programmable for wake-up ready coffee. Choose your brew strength with Select a Brew. 2 separate easy fill water reservoirs. Auto pause and pour. Large 12-cup capacity.